In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change or replace the hard drive on the laptop. So first things first, we need to flip the laptop around. And now we need to find the compartment where the hard drive is. In this case, on this Toshiba, it's in this compartment right here, has two screws. So I'm going to unscrew them right now. Once you've unscrewed it, you take the panel off, and what is revealed to you is the hard drive. There's some more screws that you need to get at. Now every laptop is different. The location of the hard drive can vary from laptop to laptop, and the method of removal, even though it's pretty much the same, varies slightly only as to where the screws are located. Okay, once you removed all the screws, there's a little handle here. What you do is you pull it back and then up. So pull it back and then out. And as you can see here, we have the hard drive inside a case. So what we need to do now is remove the hard drive from the metal casing around it. There's 4 screws right here. I'm just going to remove them right now. When you are working with laptop hard drives, be careful not to squeeze them, as they are fairly sensitive and fairly delicate. And the last screw. Okay, then we can now take off the metal bracket, put it aside, and now we have the hard drive here. This is a serial ATA hard drive. We can tell by the connectors. This is the power connector, and this is the data cable connector, the little L's. And I'm going to get a new drive and install it. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install a laptop hard drive. So I have a new hard drive here, and I'm just going to put the bracket back on it by flipping it upside down and placing it like this. And now I've got to screw it back together. Make sure the screws are tight, but not too tight. You don't want to snap a screw off on the hard drive, because it's a lot of work trying to get it back out. And when you're handling a laptop, be careful not to squeeze on the top case. Always hold it on its side, and if you do have to put pressure, always just on its side. Okay, now we take the hard drive, place it in the case like this. Okay, and then just slide it into the slot, and now we just screw it back. Put back the cover. And there you go. It's that simple. Now you have a new hard drive in your laptop.